I was approached over the weekend by a friend of the family who's actually a doctor at a Toronto area hospital. And in passing, he actually mentioned that they were starting to run low on these face visors. They ultimately said, like, maybe we should look at maybe crowdsourcing a 3D printed solution. This one just finished up, basically just pulls right up off the bed. And this one is ready to go. This is the part that's actually 3D printed. It's actually very minimal. There's not much to it. And then we take the sheet cover and the standard 3 holes that you would use in the binder, you locate those. You snap these little hooks into each hole. And then in the back, there's 2 little loops where you just thread an elastic band through. And then if you'll bear with me removing my headset. There you go. We actually have a few of these going out to a lab called Clean Slate UV based out of Toronto here, where they're just going to run this through a disinfection device multiple times just to see how it holds up. The more people that we have who really feel that they can genuinely help in a situation like this, as opposed to sitting there feeling a little helpless, the better.